$8.
$8?
$8.
$8?
$8.
$8? You've been wasting your money on these charging cables that are too slow, too messy, break easily. Well, now you got MagicJohn's brand new 240 watts 4-in-1 fast charging cable. It is super affordable. Dual connectors come with Lightning, USB, and 2 additional Type-C ports, making it compatible with laptops, tablets, any mobile device that you can think of. 240 watts means that you can charge any device that you have at maximum speeds at all times. Connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy, cable with liquid silicone, so you can pull, twist, bend, nothing is gonna happen to it. It comes in 2 colors, 2 sizes, and with its own carry bag from MagicJohn. And if you like this product, you can click the yellow card and purchase it now.